Hi everyone, I am Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to continue with the applet tags. Applet tags. Generally, applet tags are embedded in the HTML document with the applet tags. Applet tag takes three attributes. The first attribute is code. It specifies the name of the applet class. The second attribute is width. It specifies the width of the applet window, and height specifies the height of the applet window. Both displays in pixel. Adding applet to HTML file. The applet tag is used to add the applet into the HTML file. We can put together the various components of the web page and create a file known as HTML file. This is an example of including the applet tag in the HTML file. As I mentioned earlier in the previous video, a HTML file contains three parts: comment section, HTML section, and body section. Head section only includes the title tag. In the body section, it contains the whole details or information about the web pages. In body tag, we have to include the applet tag, which takes three attributes: code, width, and height. The code attribute takes the value as the dot class file of the Java file. Running the applet. After creating the HTML file, we have to run the applet. Before running the applet, we must have three files in our current directory. The first file is filename.java. The second one is filename.class. Third one is filename.html. All the three files have same name with different extension. All the three files are in the same must be in the same directory. To run an applet, we require the following tools. Either we have a Java applet viewer interpreter or any Java enabled web browser, hard Java or Netscape Navigator. When we use Java enabled web browser, we will able to see entire web page containing the applet. But when we use the applet viewer tool, we only see the applet output. That means in web browser we can see the result as a web page. In applet viewer we can see the applet window. Because applet viewer is not a full-fledged web browser and ignores all of the HTML tags except the part of the pertaining to the running of the applet. The applet viewer tool is available in the JDK, Java Development Kit. We can use it to run our applet program as applet viewer filename.html. This will be the output when you are running the applet program using the applet viewer tool. It displays only the applet code, not as the web page. We have to move on to learn more applet tags. Applet, the three mandatory attributes of the applet tag are code, name, height, width. Other than that, we have to use so many attributes. The first one is code base. Code base attribute takes the value as the web address of the remote applet. When we are executing the local applet, this can be omit or we can specify the local directory address. The second one is alt. This is an alternative text. Suppose the reference of the applet is not specified or not executed properly, the alternate text displayed as an output. Next one is name. This takes the value as the applet instance name. And next attribute is align. This is used to align our results on the applet window. Next, V space, that is vertical space, and the H space is the horizontal space. Vertically and horizontally, how many pixels we have to leave as the values of the V space and H space attributes. Next is param attributes. Param tag. Param tag take two attributes. One is name, another one is value. Name contains the value of the attribute name. Value contains the attribute value. So these are the additional attributes which are included in the applet tag. So this is an explanation of the above mentioned attributes of the applet tag. Now, I summarize the list of things to be done for adding applet into a HTML. First, we have to include the applet tag in an appropriate place in a web page and specify the name of the applets.class file as the value of the code attribute. If the .class file is not in the current directory, we can use the code base parameter to specify the web page address. That is uniform resource locator. Next, we have to specify the space required for displaying by using the width and height attributes. Add any user-defined parameters if you want using param tags. Add alternative HTML text to be displayed when non-Java browser is used. Close the applet tag declaration with the closing applet tag. Thank you.